Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to a Wacky Wednesday. Last week, we met Ram, a water bearer friend who used to come down the green hill to the clear, clean river, infused and enriched from the mountains. Well, that was long, long ago. That was mountain enriched water. Time galloped forward, and along with it grew the greed of man. We polluted our rivers, we polluted our land, and we even polluted our air. Today, we have factory polluted water. What do we do? It is so unhealthy. Do we expend in buying expensive gadgets, expensive alkalizers, expensive purifiers? Maybe, but not everybody can afford it, right? So our ancients had a simple solution. They said, have copper infused water. Let me tell you, copper has a natural antibacterial, antiviral property, and it even takes care of the dreaded E. coli. Copper helps reduce triglycerides, helps reduce cholesterol, and even helps reduce plaque. Isn't it heart friendly then? Copper is a trace element which is essential for the healthy functioning of the thyroid gland. So whether you are hyper or hypothyroid, copper is your friend. Copper also breaks down fat cells in the adipose tissue, hence helps reduce weight. Copper is another element which helps the peristalsis, right? And thereby helps digestion and thereby reduces gas and constipation. So it also reduces bloating. Copper helps the absorption of iron. So next time you have to pop in your iron pill, do not forget to take water infused with copper so that the absorption is better. Copper is teeming with antioxidants and therefore even helps cancer patients. Do you see? This simple looking copper has so many benefits. Now you may want to know, how do we infuse water with copper? The solution is simple. Store water in a copper pot. Now hold it there. I know. Copper is good for the heart, copper is good for the thyroid, copper is good for digestion, copper is good for so many things, right? But don't go to the next store to buy a new pot of copper. Do not even order it on online. Do we want to increase our factory production? No. Let me give you another solution. If you're an Indian or have any connections with India, either your mom or your grandmom or some aunt would have been storing this treasure in their closet or their box or somewhere in the loft. This will be a clue to connect with your family history. Go on, pick up the phone, call mommy, call granny, call auntie, whoever it is you think who has this treasure. Speak to them. You'll bring sparkle in their eyes. You'll bring warmth in their heart. And they will bless you from their soul because they love to tell you the good old stories of good old days. And happily with blessings, they will gift you their copper pot. Now, when the copper pot has been left on the loft or in the cupboard for a long, long time, it will look something like this. And you will wonder, now how do I dispel this darkness away? Well, nature has the solutions. A simple looking tambourine and a common table salt is all that we need to scrub away this darkness, this soot, and bring light and shine to this blushing red beauty. Isn't it simple? And it's pretty low maintenance. All you have to do is fill this pot up with water and leave it inside for 10 hours. You have copper infused healthy water ready for your consumption. Now there's something else that you can do to further enhance that water. As you're filling this pot, do not forget to say your prayers. Do say your prayers. Prayers do not have a religion or a language. Prayers are a song of a pure, sincere, surrendered heart. So it can be in any language, it can be silent or loud, but do say your prayers. There's a Japanese scientist who has actually done research that water molecules actually change when you say good things to it. Isn't prayer the best thing to say to water? Now, won't you like to create tirtha or holy water for your family every day to have at all times? Wouldn't it their health improve with it along with yours? Wouldn't you want to do it? And isn't it so simple? Also, next time you want to gift something to your dear non-Indian friend, here's also a simple solution. Do give them with these beautiful looking copper containing pots. They are even easier to maintain because they have steel outside and only copper inside, right? You can store water and copper for a long time and no bacterial growth happens inside. Now, do you understand how easy it is to have copper infused water and blessed water? On that, let's all say a simple prayer for the happiness of the world. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. May everybody be happy at all times. With that prayer, I leave you to be happy today and always. Thank you.